Yeah, it's recording. Pretty sure. I'll make this video to show you how scary birds are. Right? I don't know if you can see them. Glare really bad. Golly. Four big black giant birds. God, look at the tree full of them right there. Get this. Look at this tree more. God, look at it. It's like the birds. Feeling the birds. Look what they're doing. Eating a dead deer. This convince people that birds are scary. I just want to be like a million of those things in the same place. What they can do to a human. Yeah. Scary world we live in. Yeah. Eating dead deer. Whole tree full of them. Yeah. I hope this will convince you that birds are scary. But I plan on going to, summer I plan on going to Bodega Bay, California to make a video. I think we have to be convinced that birds are scary. Yeah, that's scary. Well, hopefully, I get to go to Bodega Bay in California and make a video this summer. Sometimes I almost here, yeah, they had night before last, they had some wind knocked the tree down across the my fence, and I think it went across the power line, knocked the power out. There's about a mile north of here. Cubine Road. I don't know if you see them or not, but see Buzz, those birds. Buzz are pretty hard. Well, I uploaded some YouTube video. Be a way to convince you that birds are scary.